Don't tell me you got abandoned. Ha! Ha ha! That's what you get for trusting Susie. Ha! Huh? Noelle? Queen? They're just busy retro gaming somewhere. I bet they're waiting for me on their player select score. Listening to strangely groovy music. Ha ha! Ha ha! Sigh. So it's come to this. In order to find our respective teams, it appears we must form an uneasy truce.
What the? Who the beep said you could double truces?
Huh? Did you hear something?
Honk honk! No, it's just the sounds of the city.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll be ahead. Don't be late!